In this video, I will demonstrate how to complete the Section 2 portion of the Future Focus Plan assignment. The first step is to locate the form that you saved and submit it for Section 1. For Section 2, you will be completing your educational goals. You may need to use the Occupational Outlook Handbook. The link is listed here on the form to help complete this section. On this website, you will find a list of occupational groups. Choose the occupational group that best fits your degree or careers that you are seeking. On that page, you will find all the occupations in that field listed in alphabetical order. The third column is the entry-level education needed to begin working in that career. Once you've determined the education that you will be seeking, come back to your form and choose and click each of the boxes that you will be earning at Jeffco and beyond. So you may be earning the Associate of Arts at Jeffco, be transferring on to complete a Bachelor's of Science, and someday a doctorate. So choose all that apply to you. Once you have completed this section portion, go on to determine and find your degree plan. You may do this by clicking the control button, and the link will take you to the Jeffco homepage that lists all of our degrees and certificate plans. On this page, you can also reach it by going to the Academics tab on My Jeffco. Here you will find the Associate of Arts degree that is designed to transfer to another college or university, Associate of Arts in Teaching, designed for education majors, the Fine Arts degree, designed for those wanting to transfer to a college or university for fine arts, Associate of Science, designed for engineering students, and then the Associate of Applied Science degrees. These are all listed below as the AAS. Many of these degree plans are not transferable. To find your degree plan, click on the catalog year of your freshman year. And this is the degree plan for Associate of Arts. More about degree plans and certificates for Section 3. Once you have chosen your degree plan, come back to your form and type in the name of degree or certificate that you plan to earn at Jeffco and your expected date of completion. You also need to determine if the major you've declared on your transcript is appropriate. You can find this in the Student tab on My Jeffco. If it is correct, click Yes. If you're needing to change the form, then you will need to also, under the Student tab, fill out the form to change your major and then list the major that you will be seeking here at Jeffco. Once you've completed Section 2, then you will need to save it again and submit it back to Canvas.